My name is Mark McDermott, and I am a third grade teacher at Jefferson Elementary School in Allentown. You know, science and, more importantly, inquiry play a vital role in everything that happens in my classroom. And I have goals, and they are to inspire my students and encourage other teachers to celebrate and execute science in their classrooms. But when it comes to science inquiry, I consider myself a purist. I make it a point to teach inquiry as a complete and independent curriculum. And there's nothing like inquiry. It's hard for me to believe that it was only 1993 that the American Association for the Advancement of Science first introduced the concepts that led to the development of inquiry-based instruction. Now, I've implemented the inquiry model into teaching math at times, and I've seen my students gaining a much better understanding. And by understanding and utilizing this inquiry process, I really believe that the children in my classroom think about how math works on a much deeper level. So inquiry and integrating it into the reading instruction encourages my kids to wonder about a story, raise questions, predict what will happen, and analyze the text. I must tell you, the greatest possible example I can imagine of inquiry advancing beyond the science class would be if you have this child and they're standing on the playground and they begin to question why the wind blows at different speeds and at what height does the wind still blow and why some insects fly faster than others. I believe my students are inquiry children who have been taught that it's safe to question and to test in and out of the school environment. I want my students to wonder about everything they come in contact with. I want them to wonder about how things work and function. Most importantly, I hope they take away from their elementary years the tools and ideas that will help them to think, to evaluate, to explore, inquire, test, and to demonstrate. And I hope my students have been enlightened and encouraged. I hope they leave my classroom filled with wonder and marvel and questions. I want my students to ponder their existence and the world around them. And I pray I have impacted their lives in this truly significant way.